Hello everyone. Today we have this beautiful 2020 Toyota Camry LE edition. Basically this is a new car. It has 130,000 miles on it. We're gonna look into that in detail shortly. Has been technically used as a daily driver. That's how it put on all those miles, but it's a Camry. It will last forever and it has been well maintained, so that is what's the most important thing about it. Okay, now having said that, as usual, let's start working our way from exterior of the vehicle into the interior, and let's see if there are any issues that we should be aware of. So from the front of the vehicle, I don't see any issues. These holes are for the front license plate holder. I think it should be in the trunk of the car. Last I saw it. Tires are good on it. They are not brand new, but they have deep tread on them. That's a sign of maintenance. Is this a chip? No, it is not. It's something from outside. These are something from outside. There is a small chip here and a small chip here. Yeah, the video is capturing that. Yes, and probably a rock chip. And there are some nail marks on the door handle. Other than that, I don't see issues, except for when this is from opening and closing the door, small chips there as well. This is also a chip here, and one more chip here, another opening and closing damage. Other than that, no issues here. Oh, okay, I see this lamp, the tail light cover is cracked right here. I think we have ordered it. We should replace that. Okay, other than that, from the exterior, the rear of the vehicle, these are not 3 nuts. There's a backup camera. We'll test it, and we will pop the trunk to check other things as well. No issues on the rear though. Backup camera helps with that. These are small dents here. I don't see issues here. This is a protective cover. This is good. And there is a dent on the passenger side door. This is probably they opened it against the lifted sidewalk, and also this needs to be buffed out. These are not chip marks. Yeah, this is something. It has been bumped into something. Other than that, clean, and the roof also is clean. So, and now as usual, let's turn on the engine, check out the engine sound and all. And then we will start checking all the electronics on the vehicle. So it comes with a flip key. Okay. Turning it on. Okay. Engine comes on from half a spin. No lights on. The system is booting right now. Rebooting. We're gonna talk about the central system, and right now it has 131,000 miles. Popping up to. I'm sorry. Okay. AC is on. It is ice cold, and I'm looking forward to getting in the car as soon as the exterior review is done. Engine is clean. Sounds good. No issues. No leaks. Nothing smoking or burning. Okay. Now let's check the doors and the operation of the windows. Front 2 are fully automatic. Actually, all 4 are fully automatic. So checking the right rear, left rear, right front, and left front. Okay. The operation is good. So it comes. The driver's seat is power. It is cloth, but it is power, and all the options work, including the lumbar support. Okay. And let's open the other end before I'm walking back. So if you press and hold this, the trunk will come up. We will check that out. But before we do, so the left driver's side looks good. The tint might need. Oh, this is not tint. This is water residue after washing the car. Trunk, pretty huge, tons of space. Donut is there. I don't see the tools though. But I hope you won't need them ever. But yeah, we will look into that as well. So these are the levers to put down the second row seats in case you want to fit something large in the trunk. Passenger side, window is operational, everything looks good to me. And the front passenger side, window is operational, everything looks good to me. The seat is a little bit stained, but I don't see any tears or much of a wear here. But yeah, these are stain marks, they need to be removed. Okay, and we will do some professional detailing on the car to get it to a better state. And having said that, let's jump in the car itself and check out the functionalities. Okay, so here you have headlight, traction, and the trunk plus the gas cap controls. Your headlights are fully automatic. Okay, and this is your windshield wiper controls. We looked into the dash. Everything is clean. You can control the dash from the wheel, and you can change as to what you want to see. This MPG is not correct because the vehicle, usually we run the vehicle while sitting, so that MPG is not true, but it will definitely give you at least 30-40 depending on your driving style. So on the wheel you have the sound controls. It has phone connectivity as well, and on the right hand side you have, this is actually, let's turn on the okay, if you have radar readiness, yes, this is actually, you see when you press this button, this is autopilot, but it also adjusts you adjust the speed. If there is an obstacle, if there is a vehicle in front of you, it will follow it up to the speed that you have set, but if that vehicle slows down, it will slow down the car as well. So it's not standard autopilot, this is cruise control autopilot. You have your lane assist, okay, and these modes and these controls are for the entertainment system right here. So we have a backup camera here, okay. It's not equipped with map, but I think it can be, the software can be updated. In terms of applications, it comes with remote connect notifications and Wi-Fi, and you can register your Bluetooth phone here via Bluetooth connectivity, and you will be able to control your phone from here as well. This is your home screen, timing and all. AC blows ice cold. These are your AC controls. Here you have the power outlet, automatic obviously transmission, and you have your two USB outputs here. Okay, this is all there is except for one more remark. It says vehicle data transmission is on. This can be removed by a dealer. I'm not sure if this vehicle has it, but yeah, there is a source button here as well. Okay, and that's the connectivity to Toyota. That's all there is to say about the car. We will need to do better cleaning on it. It comes with necessary safety features, with your lane control, with your smart cruise control and all. It's a Camry. It will last forever. It has been well maintained, well driven. It drives like new. Definitely come check it out. We'll be happy to see you with us. And in the meantime, you can go to our website to see the photos and to see the history of the car at azcars.us. A to Z cars.us. Okay, azcars.us. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you guys in our next videos.